Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022. It is 5:45 and 5 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, obesity, premenopause in women. So let's hop to it here. Obesity may lead to a decline in lung function in premenopausal and postmenopausal women. New study evaluates effective body mass index, a waist circumference, on chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma. Date February 23, 2022. Source: the North American Menopause Society. Obesity has been linked to a wide array of health problems. A new study suggests that abdominal obesity, as measured by body mass index, BMI, at waist circumference, may result in a greater risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and asthma. The previous studies have shown that women experience greater lung function impairment and have greater risk of developing COPD than men, despite less exposure to smoke. In addition, female smokers, compared with male smokers, experience a more rapid decline in lung function between 45 and 50 years of age. The asthma incidence and hospitalization, ranked because of asthma, are also higher in women than in men. It is believed that female hormones contribute to the greater incidence of asthma in women. Obesity has been shown to affect the risk of these airway obstructive diseases and can lead to a decline in lung function. The incidence of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease in people who are obese is significantly higher than in those of normal weight. In addition, women who are obese are more likely to experience asthma than men who are obese. Until now, little has been known about the effects of obesity and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma in women before and after menopause. And this new study, based on data collected from more than 1 million women, aimed to determine the effect of BMI and waist circumference on chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma development in premenopausal and postmenopausal women. The researchers concluded that regardless of menopause status, high body mass index and waist circumference were found to significantly increase the risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma. Moreover, the higher the body mass index and waist circumference, the greater the risk. In addition, being overweight was also identified as a risk factor for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease in postmenopausal women. And this study highlights yet another detrimental effect of obesity and abdominal adiposity in women, and specifically identified that women with high body mass index and or waist circumference had a greater risk of developing chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma. In addition to avoiding tobacco use, maintaining a healthy body weight and composition may help reduce the incidence of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma in women. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.